Hey guys, LechK here. Today, a quick unboxing and setup of the Plunge Chill cold plunge ice bath. They make some nice premium setups for your home use. You can have this outdoors in your garage, wherever you want to set it up. I'm going to be setting up in my sauna, and I did a whole full detailed video of the setup and the testing. Here, I just want to do the video of unboxing and setting it up to show you what it will look like, you know, where you can put it. So this is the Pro version. It's the long one, comes with the chill and everything. And that's really it. I'll put some links and details below, but let's open it up and see what we got in here. Careful cutting here so you can cut this. That would be a bad start. We got like a carry bag backpack here. Hey, if you want to take your tub camping, it's an option. There you go. It feels heavy duty already just by touch. Seems nicely insulated. This looks solid. And this is just the cover. So the cover is huge because cover is going to help you keep the water cold when you're not using this, especially if you're not running your chiller 24/7. Open the tub in a second, and we got a pump, and it's one of those quick pumps, the big boys, so that's a big plus. Whatever this is, adapters, valves, and our directions, and that's it. So this is what I'm excited about, actually, guys. These modern, you know, not DIY plunges, they have the valves, everything on the side of it, so you're not running any hoses from the top. So huge plus here. We're going to inflate this in a second. This feels actually really heavy duty. I'm honestly impressed. I was thinking it was going to be like thin and flimsy, but this looks like it can hold it outside just fine. Directions are going to be pretty straightforward. We're just going to inflate this first and go from there. Pump even has a gauge, so that's cool. Let's see how it pumps. Gonna be enough. It's still solid. And honestly, I picked the worst day to do this, guys. It is 90 degrees this weekend, so I'm already pouring sweat. But once I set this up and chill the water, hopefully by tomorrow morning, it's gonna be a nice cold plunge. Let's finish this up. I love the valve setup. It's so much easier. See how it feels inside. Okay. Oh wow, plenty of space in here. This will... Cover could be a nice surfing board for the ocean. Yeah, this will do. Alrighty, next steps. Let's set up the chiller.